This render has been made with free textures, free models, and with a free HDRI. Let's see 4 websites where you can find these resources. Website number 1, textures.com. With a free account, you have 15 credits per day. For instance, with 4 credits, you could download a PBR material of 1024 resolution, or you could download for 1 credit an HDRI of 1024. Maybe it doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, this could be very useful when you're testing materials in your render. You can also find photos of animals, 3D objects, and other stuff. Website number 2, Ambient CG. Is a public domain resources for physical based rendering. Here you can find PBR free materials with resolutions of up to 8K, including diffuse, roughness, normal, ambient occlusion, and more. You have access to unclipped 16 HDRI skies in JPG and EXR format. Photogrammetry is used for many new materials. All this is made by Leonard. You can support him on Patreon or Ko-Fi. You will find the links below. Website number 3, sharetexture.com. This website has been created by Tolga Arslan and Özgen Karagol Arslan, and they are creating and sharing PBR textures since 2018. All the textures are CC0. All of their content is created for public usage. You can download and use it for any purpose. Website number 4, Polyheaven. 100% free. Not just free, but also CC0, meaning you can use them for absolutely any purpose without restrictions. No paywalls or sign-up required. Simple, download what you want and use it immediately without worry. I hope these websites are useful to you. If you know others to recommend, please write it in the comments, and see you next time.